Hello and welcome to this very first episode of 120 Seconds. In this episode, we're going to teach you how to make your own flash transitions, like this and this. Let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need is a camera. A DSLR or mirrorless would be best, but note, it doesn't have a lens on it, because we won't be needing one. First, turn on the camera. Next, carefully remove the lens cap. Be sure not to touch your sensor or leave it exposed for too long.
Seriously, advanced users only be on this point. Touching your sensor or leaving it uncovered for too long can ruin your camera. Only move forward with this tutorial if you absolutely know what you're doing.
Now, hit record and carefully cover the sensor with your hand, being very careful not to touch it. Move your fingers around a little to let some bits of light into the sensor. This will create your flashes. Once you got that recorded, all we gotta do now is some light editing.
I use Premiere, but you can use just about any editing system out there. I've got my footage imported and opened in the source monitor. I'm gonna set my in and out points and drag each light flash into my sequence. Now, once I've got them in my sequence, I usually desaturate them and always add a bunch of contrast to make sure there's a lot of pure black and pure white. I also personally like to place a sequence marker at the brightest frame of each flash. That'll help us later. Now, export each one individually. A strong editing codec like ProRes or DNx HD would be best. Alright, now I'm working on a project and I want to use one of my flash transitions. All I've got to do is drag one into my sequence and place it over a cut between two clips. This is where those markers come in handy. I like to place the brightest frame right over the cut to make sure that it's fully obscured. Now, all you have to do is set your transitions blending mode to screen or add, and you're done. Flash transitions are a great way to add some polish and visual interest to your edits, and people charge money for them all over the internet. Making your own can both save you money and increase your production quality. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, you can learn how to create films, videos, and more from the ground up with MediaTech Institute's digital film and video program. If you'd like to learn more, click on the link at the top of the description. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you again next week with another tutorial.